subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about a bag of words. In our previous classes we already discussed about one-hot encoding. One-hot encoding is a method to convert categorical data into numerical data. Bag of words is a method to convert text data into numerical data. So please watch that video and come back here for better understanding of this video. So before going into the concept, first take an example and understand how bag of words will work. So these are the examples taken from our Amazon mobile data set. So these are the 4 different feedbacks given by 4 different customers in our Amazon mobile data. This mobile is good. This is one of the feedback given by one of the customer. This mobile is not good. This mobile works fine and affordable. This is one next statement. Mobile is cheap and mobile is best. Okay, coming to this, how to convert this text data into numerical data. So what it will do is, one feedback is considered as one document. The set of all the documents, all the feedbacks is considered as document corpus. From this document corpus, we have to identify the unique words. Unique words means different words. Here, this mobile is good. So this is considered as one word. Mobile is considered as another word. Easy is considered as one other word. Good is considered as, means we have to identify different words. How many different words are there in this document corpus? You have to identify that and take this as a features. We already discussed what features means, columns. So how many different features we will get from this document corpus? This mobile is good, not, works fine and affordable, cheap and best. So that's why this is called as feature extraction. We are extracting features from the document corpus. That's why we call it as feature extraction. Okay. So coming to how to convert this bag of words into numerical data. We extracted the features from this document corpus. Now we have to convert. Take this document. This, how many times this is there in this document? One time. Mobile, how many times we have mobile in this document? One time. Is one time. Good, one time. Remaining words we don't have. That's why we are placing it as zeros. Next, this one time, is one time, mobile is good one time, not one time, remaining all zeros. Next, this one time, mobile one time, works one time, fine one time, and affordable one time. Coming here, mobile 2 times, so we have written 2. Is 2 times, we have written 2. Cheap and best. In this way, the text documents are converted into bag of words. So what we are using here, the frequency of the words in the document. Mobile, how many times it occurred? One time. Frequency is calculated. How many times that word is present in the document. That's what we are returning here. Okay. Now let's understand what's the applications of bag of words. Suppose you consider a website, you are running a website and in that website you will write some content for your products or you are writing some content. Google keeps on checking your content. Why it keeps on checking your content means whether the content written by you is on your own or it's copied from some other websites. If you copied the content from some other websites, it won't give you a better ranking for your website. So how it will convert is, let's take the content from 2 different websites. This is the content from one website, this is the content from other website. Usually content will be a set of sentences, but here for understanding purpose we took only one sentence. This is the content from one website, this is the content from other website. How it will calculate the similarity between this is, it will convert the content into bag of words. So this is how they converted. What are the words that present in this content? What are the words that present in this content? All are taken as features and da is present one time, mobile is present one time, is present one time, very is present one time, good is present one time, and is present one time. It's cheap. Affordable is not there in this content. That's why we have written 0. Like that we have converted into bag of words. Now we will calculate the distance between these two data points. Distance between these two data points. How to calculate distance between two data points? It's square root of x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. So the important point we have to understand here is, if we are having similar words, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. If you don't have similar words, what will happen? Cheap is not there with this, affordable is not there with this. Affordable is there in this content, cheap is there in this content. So not similar words. Then 1 minus 0 whole square means 1 square, plus 0 minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square means 1. Your distance increases as you are having different words. Your distance decreases. Why it's decreasing? If you are having similar words, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 whole square means 0. So distance will decrease as you are having similar words. Distance will increase as you are having not similar words. Okay, based on the distance, they will identify whether these two different documents is having similar content or not. Okay, this is the one of the application. Let's coming to disadvantages of the bag of words. So let's take our example here and we will identify the disadvantages of a bag of words. Let's take this document. This mobile is good. Now let's take this document. This mobile works fine and affordable. These two statements are having different words, works fine and affordable. It's not there in this statement. It is having a statement called good. So different words are there. So if you calculate the distance between these two statements, what it will say? These two statements are not similar. But coming to the meaning of the sentences, this mobile is good, this mobile works fine. Both are giving positive meaning. Suppose I ask you a question, how are you? What you will say? Some people will say I am good, some will say I am fine. Both use it for showing your positive. So both meaningfully these two statements are positive, giving the same meaning. So what's missing in bag of words? Bag of words is missing to identify the meaning similarity of the sentences. You understand? Meaning means semantic similarity of the sentences is missing by calculating the distance between the two different statements using bag of words. So what's the disadvantage here? We are not finding the meaning of the sentence. In our next classes, we will discuss some of the techniques called word to vec, which will maintain the similarity of the meaning also. Meaning similarity also maintained in word to vec. Okay. So let's take one more example. This mobile is good. This mobile is not good. Almost all these two statements are having the same words. This mobile is good. Only extra word is not. If you calculate the distance between these two statements, you will get smaller distance, because only one word, square root of 1, which we will get as 1. Calculate using this. We already discussed this, so please calculate it. We will get a distance of square root of 1, that is equal to 1. So it shows that these two statements are having similar words. But meaningfully these two statements are not similar, because it is having a word called not. So that's why bag of words will not maintain the semantic meaning of the sentences. Okay, you understand? So coming to next example, one more point we have to understand from this bag of words. Let's take these two statements. I do not use this mobile, it's good. I do use this mobile, it's not good. So these two statements are having same words. I, do, use, this, mobile, it's, not, good. But these two statements are opposite, because this is giving negative sense, this is giving positive sense. So but these two statements are having same words. What we have to identify here is not is there before good, but here not is there not before good. So what's the important point we have to grab from this sentences is combination of words is also giving some sense, semantic sense, whether this statement is positive or negative. So combination of words is also important. For that reason, what they made is they have identified a new technique called bigrams in bag of words. In the same bag of words, this is the extra point is bigrams. What it will consider is it will consider the combination of two words. What's the combination of two words? This mobile. It will take the combination of single words. It will take single words. It will take the combination of two words also. This is considered. Mobile is considered. This mobile is considered as one more word. Mobile. Like that. Mobile is considered as one more word. Is good is considered as one more word. Like that. I do not. Not good is also considered as one word. So it will take combination of single words, it will take combination of two words. Like that, ngram means you can place any n here. It is 5. For suppose n is taken as 5. What are the words it will consider is it will take single words, combination of two words, combination of 3 words, 4 words, 5 words. It will take all the combinations. That's what ngram means. So hope you understand the concept of bag of words and ngrams. It's very important in understanding in our ML models. Okay, now let's check the code and execution of the code in our system.
Coming to our coding part, so we are using pandas for a data frame. The discussion about data frame already discussed in our previous classes, and most of the coding part here is already discussed in our previous classes, so we are going little bit fast here. So pandas is used for a data frame, and for converting our data into bag of words we are using a class called count vectorizer. This class is provided in sklearn.feature_extraction.text package. So coming to next, pd.read_csv is a method which will take data from .csv and convert into a data frame, and it placed in a data frame called data. So what's our data is, this is the .csv file. It is having a column called text, and in the test we are having a 4 feedbacks from different customers. This mobile is good, this mobile is not good, like that. We are taking this data and we are converting into bag of words. So coming to our next line here, feedback is equal to, we are taking a list called feedback. Why we are taking it is we have to take the data one by one and split and eliminate some extra spaces in between the data, and convert and place the data in a list. For that purpose we are taking this feedback list. So now taking data step by step means first feedback, second feedback, third feedback, we need a loop. This we use it as a loop. For I in data of a test column, we are taking the column and we are taking here splitting the data and eliminating the extra spaces and joining and taking it as a sentence. Now taking the first sentence, second sentence, like that, appending that sentence by converting that sentence into lowercase and stripping off the extra spaces and appending into the list called feedback. So now we are displaying the feedback. This code is already used in our previous classes. Hope you are following our coding from the beginning of the classes. For better understanding of the code and subject, please follow us from the beginning. So print of feedback, we are displaying the feedback. What's this feedback is? These are the sentences. This mobile is good, this mobile is not good, this mobile works fine and affordable. We're taking the sentence from .csv and we are placing it in a list called feedback. Now coming to our actual code, this is what we need to understand. Coming to here, count vectorizer is used and it is assigned to a variable called v. Now onwards we can use the variable v as count vectorizer. So next, v.fit underscore transform on data feedback. In our previous classes we already discussed about the methods called fit separately and method called transform separately. What fit method will do? It will fit on the data based on the model. What's here? The model is take the sentences and identify the different words that present in these sentences. That is what fit will do. What transform will do? Transform will take the sentences and transform the data into bag of words. Here the combination of both can be done at a time in this method, fit underscore transform on the data called feedback. We already took the sentences and converted into a list. That list is given as an input. It will fit on this feedback and transform on this feedback. Both is done on the same data. So that's transformed data is saved in a variable called text underscore bag of words. Now we are displaying the features. Next line, print v dot get underscore features underscore names of. We already used this method in our previous class. It will display the list of features that extracted from the content, means our sentences. What are the list of that here is? This is the list of features that identified from our sentences. So it is given in alphabetically dictionary ascending order, affordable, and after that B, cheap, fine, good, like that. So this is given in ascending order. After conversion of the data of our sentences into bag of words, sorry, we have to change this to bag of words. This code is similar to one-hot encoding. We just copied it. Bag of words. So now we'll execute this code and the list is given in sparse matrix, text underscore BOW. If you display it directly, it will come in sparse matrix. So hope you know about sparse matrix because we already discussed in our one-hot encoding. Hoping that you are following from the beginning. We are not explaining about sparse matrix here. We will convert that sparse matrix into array format for better understanding of the output. So to convert it to array format, we are using a method called toArrayOf. So execute this code. So it's converted into bag of words. So coming to bigrams, ngrams, what we have to do here is this is the code which we have to do for converting into bigrams. So what it will do is taking a variable in the count vectorizer, we are having a variable called ngram underscore range of. It will give 1, 2 means minimum value and the maximum value. What it means is it will consider one words, single words, and a combination of 2 words means bigram words. If you take it as 1, 5, it will take a combination of single words, combination of 2 words, combination of 3 words, combination of 4 words, combination of 5 words. The discussion about this is already discussed before. Okay, so for a better understanding, we will take only combination of single and dual words, 1, 2. Now let's execute the code. See here, list of features. We took the combination of both single words and dual words. Affordable and affordable is considered as a word, and mobile is considered as a word. Best, cheap and fine and good, not good is considered as a feature. That's why this is very important. Taking combination of words will make a better understanding of the sentences. Okay, the link to download this IPython file and the data file is provided in the description below. So please download this data file and the coding file and work on it. That will make you an expert in ML. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.